How to customize smaller taskbar icons automatically in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to let icons shrink on their own as your taskbar fills up. First, right-click on an empty area of your taskbar. After that, click on Taskbar Settings. From there, click on Taskbar Behaviors to expand this section. At this point, look for the drop-down related to Show Smaller Taskbar buttons. In the next step, click on it to see the available options. Following this, choose from Never, Always, or When Taskbar is Full. Once done, select When Taskbar is Full if you'd like icons to automatically shrink only once there's no more room for full-sized icons. From here, this way, your taskbar stays normal-sized until it actually needs to compress icons to fit everything. At this stage, open multiple apps at once to see this automatic scaling kick in as space runs out. Keep in mind, choosing Always instead keeps every icon smaller permanently, even with just a few apps open. Finally, revisit this same setting anytime if you'd like to switch to a different scaling behavior. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize smaller taskbar icons automatically in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.